For people who don't have long hair, they will never understand about the struggles of rollers getting tangled up. This is twice already this year I've had to clean this out. It's like having several pets that shed. It's ridiculous. It's fun getting to learn how to take apart your vacuum. I'm so grateful for scissors.
So, yeah. This is always fun. Of course, this is really hard doing it one-handed, but you see. I can make a blanket. My hair is tough. All right. Look at all that hair. So I got my vacuum put back together. I love my Dyson, by the way. This is an awesome vacuum if you've never used one.